Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Salo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. Legendary gospel star Mamhlengiwe Mhlaba has revealed how she once attempted to take her own life. Mhlaba, who's part of the Ungazibulali depression and suicide campaign that encompasses different musicians, joined the campaign to educate youngsters and the public. The campaign is a brainchild of motivational speaker Nkululeko Kanye, who also attempted to take her own life twice. The first installment of the campaign was held at Rabasotho Hall in Tembisa recently in Ekurhuleni. Mamhlengiwe Mhlaba said the incident happened way before she became famous. She cited trying to unalive herself because her family was refusing to assist her. The award-winning gospel singer was preparing to go to tertiary to pursue her teaching degree after getting a scholarship from church. The only thing I needed was a signature on a form that confirms that I will pay back the church money. When the family members refused, it really frustrated me because I wanted to study. She said, I took my school belt and tied it to the rafters and hanged myself. Luckily, I was saved in the nick of time. Mhlaba said the campaign was important because it addresses an issue that affects everybody. We use our own stories to motivate the public about the dangers of depression. Celebrities are able to share the pain and the pressure of the industry which led to this depression. There has been an increase of suicide cases of people in general and famous people. This is worrying, she said. Mamhlengiwe believes that artists and celebrities were drowning in depression because they were not taught how to adjust when time evolves. You can be a star today. Tomorrow you are out of favor and no longer making money. The biggest problem is that when you face such challenges, you don't know who to talk to. She said, well, there you have it, you guys. What do you think? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also, like this video, and of course do subscribe if you haven't yet done so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking on this one and watching it. May the good Lord continue to bless you all. Bye.